Hello everyone, today we will complete the part 1 of the tutorial and we will sit and draw doors and windows. For our drawing, let's start and complete our architecture plan. First, I will go to the layer properties or click L, A, enter, because I want to add a new layer for doors and windows, and we will add different colors for both of them. Now we will start with drawing the door block. So we will go to layers and choose the doors layer. Then we will use rectangle tool. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Then we will set our dimensions. Just press D, enter, then type length 0.05, enter, and width 1, enter. Then we will make another rectangle with this start point, and this time we will type a different dimensions. Just press D, enter, then type length 0.05, enter, and width 0.12, enter. After that, select Arc tool and select Center, Start, End. Select this center point, this start point, and this end point along the axis. Now, take a copy of this rectangle and move it here. After we finished the door, we will convert it to a block, and for that we will use command block. Just press P, enter. We will give our block a name called door. Then we will select the block, objects, and press enter. Then press OK. Now our block are ready to use. You can explode the block to make edits or use it with a different way, like making a double door. First, select the block, then press X, enter. As we see, the block converts to many objects again like before. Now we need to make a double door, and for that, first select this rectangle and press delete. Second, select the objects and use command mirror. Just press M, I, enter. Then select the first point of the mirror line and the second one and press enter. Now we can convert it to a block like we do before. Just press P, enter, give it a name, double door, and select block objects and press enter. Then press OK. Now we have a block of a single and a double door, and we can use it in our drawing. Just use command copy. Just select the object and press C, O, enter, and take it to the place you want. We will set all the doors in their places with the same command copy. And like we say before, to repeat any command, press enter. It will repeat the last command you use. Now we will use command mirror. Just select the object and press M, I, enter. Select the first point of the mirror line and the second one and press enter. To repeat the command again, just press enter. Now we will move these doors from here to here by using command move. Just press M, enter. and select the first point and the second point where you want to put this objects. Now we will take a copy of this door and use command rotate. Just press R O enter, then select this point and the rotation angle. Then use command move to set this door to its place. Now we will make the window block. So we will go to layers and choose the windows layer. Then we will use rectangle tool. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Then we will set our dimensions. Just press D, enter, then type length 0.05, enter, and width 0.25 and press enter. Now make another rectangle with this point as a start point and press D, enter, then type length 0.05, enter, and width 0.125 and press enter. After that, use command line. Just press L, enter, use this point as a first point, then type the line length 1.5 meter and press enter, then press enter again to finish the command. Now we will use command mirror. Just select the object and press M, I, enter, then select first point of the mirror line and the second one and press enter. Now we will use command line again to connect these points with each other. After that, we will take a copy of this window to make another small window for bathroom. Select the objects and press C, O, enter, and select first point, then the second point, and press enter. Now remove these lines by selecting them and press delete. Now use command line to draw another lines with the different lengths. Just press L, enter, use this point as first point, then type length 0.5 and press enter, then press enter again to end command. After that, move these objects by using command move. Just select the objects and press M, enter, select first point and the second point where you want to move these objects. Then use command line again to connect the points with each other. Now we will convert them to a block. Just press P, enter, give the block a name and select block objects and press enter, then press OK. And we will do this again with this object. We will convert it to a block also. And now we finish the two types of window blocks and they are ready to use them in our drawing. Just use command copy. Just select the objects and press C, O, enter, and take it to the place you want. We will set all the windows in their places with the same command copy, and we will need to use another commands like mirror and rotate. Now we need to clean our drawing and remove the unnecessary lines, and for that we will use command trim. Just press T, R, enter, then select the lines you want to trim. As we see, we finish our plane and set all windows and doors in the drawing, and we learn how to draw them with an easy way. In the next tutorial, we will learn more about blocks, and we will know how to use hatch and how to write text in AutoCAD. Don't miss it, and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel to see all of our tutorials. Thanks a lot and see you again.